Hello again, this is Jim with PCsByDesign.com, and today I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing and overview of the Raven by Silverstone. It is a full-size ATX case, and I will tell you from the start, just the box itself is huge. The case itself is huge. I'll give you a comparison of a standard or a mid-size ATX case so you can understand or have a reference point of what we're talking about as far as size. One of the really unique things about this particular case is its revolutionary 90-degree motherboard mounting, where the motherboard is mounted at a 90-degree clockwise position, which will allow you to run your cables out through the top of the case for better case management or better wire management. Okay, thanks. I'm going to stop the video for a moment and I'll be right back. Okay, I have the Raven unboxed, and I have it sitting next to a standard mid-size case, just so you can get a comparison of size on that. And I'll move it up front here so you can kind of take a look at it and see. This is the Raven. That's the mid-size case completely behind it. Or, just to give you an idea, that's the Raven next to standard mid-size case. So just so you can get a comparison as far as size, it is a huge case. We'll go ahead and open it up and take a look at some of the things inside. Alright, we're going to take a quick look inside the Raven. This is Silverstone's case. It's a full-size tower, and one of the reasons I chose this particular case is because, again, the orientation of the motherboard to try something a little different with cable management. This top piece comes out, it has some little locks that you remove, you turn, and it releases the top piece. So we'll set that aside. And then take a look at this. This is where, again, the I/O plate goes. This is where all your expansion slots come out. That's an exhaust fan coming out of the top. And so in order to open it, you push this little lever back and kind of lean the door out. I'll be taking that off later in the build. And that's the door with the clear slide panel. The area for the power supply is down here below. Again, this is where the motherboard mounts at a 90-degree angle. These are all your hard drive bays, and they have some little quick release toolless things there. In addition to that, you've got, I'm sorry, not hard drive, your DVD drive bays. Your hard drive bays are these quick release. You just mount the hard drive in, slide it back in place, lock that closed. It does come with one of these little brackets in the back for hot swappable hard drive for SATA drives. So just wanted to go over that. It has a couple of the really cool things in it. It's got some little dust filters built into it. There's many other specs that I won't be covering exactly on this video, but I will be taking you through the complete build and some of the components that I'm putting in. This is going to be my next kind of major gaming rig, as well as my full-on multimedia system. So again, a little big. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to set it up on my desk area yet. I might have to put a shelf there, but we'll worry about that later. So I'll be taking you through the total build on it and waiting for many of the other parts to come in. At the moment, this is the motherboard that I'm going to be putting in there. It is the MSI 790FX GD70. I chose this particular board because it gives you quad crossfire options. Not that I'm going to do quad crossfire, but I am going to be adding a TV tuner card as well as two 4890 the XFX edition. So I'll be going over the full parts and everything that's going to go into this particular build with the Raven here. So any comments, anything you come up with, I'll take the camera up a little bit closer just to show you some of the really cool features on the case. Hold on one second. Hopefully not too much shaking. some really cool features within the case. Huge fans, great air movement. I've already plugged it in just so I could check out how the fans are relatively quiet. I like the black finish already. That saves me a little bit of mod things there. I'm sure there's some other videos on that'll give you some other things that are going on with the case. One of the other really neat options or cool features on the case is this front slide down door that covers all your drive bays here. Let's see if we can turn that around and let's just see that. So you've got your USB camera's not focusing. USB mic and audio jacks, as well as a FireWire, power, reset. This front light here area lights up blue. I'm going to be adding some additional blue cold cathodes and maybe some UVs on the inside and work on some lighting features and stuff in it as well. So again, I want to thank you for watching another PCs by Design production, and this is Jim out, and I'll keep you updated as I get all the parts in and begin the build. Thanks.